How to fix Space Marine 2 crashing on your cinematic or your cutscene on while you're playing the game, and if you're facing any type of cutscene or any type of crash issue on your PC or on with your pixels or on the picture you're watching right now on your screen, how you can simply able to solve it. So learn this within in this video. Click on the right bottom of your PC and on your taskbar click on the Wi-Fi network connection, and from this menu you simply have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on to check whether you're connected with a strong Wi-Fi network or not. Second thing, you can turn your airplane mode to refresh your PC. Now the third thing you have to follow is simply click on the refresh tab, go on the start button of your PC, click on the shutdown option here, and then the last option is restart your PC right now from this. You can simply click on the restart button to restart your PC without having any type of issue like that. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.